So welcome to my channel, Damon Paul, the collector here from Germany. So new stuff in my collection, this kit from Knight Rider. So some people know I built the original one, the original kit from Knight Rider. So we unboxing this amazing car. So I love this box. Look at this, look at this. This looks amazing. I think that was the one of the first pictures from Knight Rider, and yeah, I love this box. And now we look what is inside. So I opened the box and so this looks like not how the original kit from Knight Rider, but I think this looks okay. And you see here the scanner, the lights. I don't know the lights open or not. We look. Oh, the batteries. Ah, okay. Look at this. They drive here. We can look. It's dangerous. So now we look on. So the micro, hello, 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 I'm K.I.T.T. One. Push here. So stop this. It's really old, and yeah, but I think that's cool. And this works, and this car is brand new. I know that. And what is inside here? So that's from Germany. What was inside? Yeah, I love this. So you see, this is an amazing car. I don't know the scale, but I think 1 to I don't know now. I'm 1 to 10, I think, or 1 to 10. I think it's really big, but it is not. No, not here on the box. So yeah, this was the K.I.T.T Knight Rider K2000, and yeah, see all my next videos of all my Fast and Furious stuff, Knight Rider stuff, Batman, and Back to the Future, and so see you, bye bye.